Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable promotional APR balance transfer offers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable promotional APR balance transfer offers, start by gathering your credit card information. Log in to your online banking portal. Locate the section for credit card management. Look for options related to account settings or preferences. Find the tab or link that mentions balance transfers or promotional offers. Select that option to view available balance transfer settings. Read through the promotional offers highlighted on your account. If you see an option to disable or decline promotional APR offers, select it. Follow any prompts that appear on your screen. Confirm your choice to disable those offers. Check for a confirmation message indicating your request was successful. If you do not see the option online, consider calling customer service. Dial the number on the back of your credit card. Speak to a representative and explain that you want to disable promotional APR balance transfer offers. They may ask for your account details for verification. Once verified, request them to disable the promotional offers for your account. Follow any additional instructions they provide. After the call, check your account again to ensure the changes have taken effect. Make a note of your preferences for future reference. Review your account statements regularly for any unexpected promotional offers. Stay informed about your credit card terms to avoid any surprises. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.